Okay, someone on the mic can see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we will start with the formula. Okay, composite index. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, this is a formula. You got to understand this this sigma sign. Okay, this sigma sign means the submission. Means you add. Okay, so the capital letter I stand for the index number with a small I, and then W stand for the weightage. Okay, and then with a small I. The small I means it keep running. Okay, start from 1 until the last one. Okay, here end with N. Okay, if only have three types of index number, then it will be end with 3 lor. Okay, if got 5 types of index number, then end with 5 lor. Okay, this is the meaning. Okay, this sigma sign it means submission. Means let's say the n is 5 lah, so if we I1 W1 plus I2 W2 plus I3 W3, okay, until I5 W5. Okay, this is the meaning. Okay, and then divide by the total weightage. Okay, submission of the WI. Okay, so if let's say the n is 5, so same thing on W1 plus W2 plus W3 until plus W5. Okay, so this is the meaning. So this is the formula that you have to know. Okay, wait, let me check whether this formula is given or not. Yeah, okay, this formula is given. Okay, so you look at the 11. Okay, this is for the index number. This formula will be given, okay, during the exam. Okay, and then the number 12. Okay, this is the composite index. Okay, composite index, usually they will have a bar on the top. Okay, this is the I, capital letter I, and there is a bar on the top. This one is a symbol of the composite index. Okay. So we come back to the textbook. Okay, so this chapter actually basically quite simple. Okay, it will involve two formula, and then both formula also given in the formula list. Okay, we can straight away look at this example. Okay, so you look at this example, Okay, if you want to prepare this semperit, okay, one type of kueh, I guess. Okay, so you need these 4 ingredients. Okay, so you see these 4 ingredients, margarine, sugar, wheat flour, egg. Okay, they have an individual price index. So in this case, you have a 4 item, 4 ingredients. Okay, so your I just now the one the I running one, okay, is from 1 until 4. Okay, so the percentage here will be represent the weightage. Okay, weightage can represent by different way. Okay, so in this question it represented by the percentage. Okay, if presented by the percentage, I guess the total will be 100. Okay, 50, 30, 80. 90, and then correct. Okay, so the total the sigma WI okay, is 100. Okay, so you see, okay, here divide by 100. Okay, so we follow the formula. Okay, this is the index. Okay, the II. Okay, index number for each item. Okay, then this is the WI. So you need to multiply the price index times with the weightage. Okay, for each item, and then add them up. Okay, which is the submission. Okay, so 120 times 30, this is the first one. Okay, first ingredient. Second ingredient, 127 times 15. Okay, second ingredient. 108 times 50, third ingredient. 107 times 5, the fourth ingredient. Okay, all add them up. This is a summation. Okay, then divide by the total weightage, which is 100 in this case. Okay, then this is your composite index. Okay. Okay, what is this meaning of this composite index? Actually, it means the importance of the weightage. Okay, you see, you look at the percentage here. Okay, the highest percentage actually fall on this, the FRA and the margin. Means if this, the FRA and the margin, the price index will have, how to say, will have a more effect on the total, the composite index. Okay, means this composite index at the end the answer here will tend to follow this or follow this, either these two, because the weightage here is the highest. This is the meaning of this composite index. Okay. Okay, so this is one of the example. Okay, let us see this. Okay, the value of this average price index is known as the composite price index. So, okay, the I bar. Okay, so here they say average also is true because at the end you divide by the weightage. Okay, so but the other name we commonly use one, we don't say average price index, we'll say composite price index. Okay, and then the symbol is an I bar. Okay, which means the combination of a few indices. Okay, so must have a few index so you combine. Okay, so that you have this composite price index. Okay, and then the weightage, you see, the weightage can be in the form of number, ratio, percentage, reading on the bar chart or pie chart and others. There is many ways for the question to represent the weightage. Okay, so just now that case is using percentage. Afterwards, maybe we'll see some other type of the questions, the different types of the weightage. Okay, so this is a formula. Okay, then we go to the next one, that example. Example 5. Okay, this is 3 types of fruits. Okay, some more they give you the base year. Okay, 2018 base or 2010. But since three types of the fruits also same base year, and then what year also the same. Okay, so you see the question when they ask for the composite index also will be the same year. Okay, 18 base or 10, 18 based on 10. Cannot be they give you different year or the base year different, then they ask for the different year, cannot be. Okay, so you see the index is this. Okay, 175, 120, and 160. Okay, do they give any weightage? Okay, if they don't give any weightage, means they have the same weightage. Okay, so you can fix as 1. Okay, if you fix this one as 1, 1, 1, therefore the total will be 3. It looks like, you are finding the average of it. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. Okay, you look at this. Composite index without weightage given is calculated by assuming the value of the weightage are the same for each index number. So this one you have to take note. So because sometimes the question is sound this way. They didn't give you weightage, but you want to follow the formula given that involve with weightage. You have to pandai. Okay, so means here you fix the weightage as 1. Means everyone the same. Actually, you want to fix for 2, 2, 2 also can. Okay, just make sure the weightage is the same. But we want to take the smallest number. Okay, if you here you put 2, 2, 2, then here will be 6. If here you put 3, 3, 3, then here you got to divide by 9. Okay, but the bigger the number, the easier you make the mistake. Okay, so you better is put in 1, 1, 1. Okay, therefore here you divide by the total weightage, 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. Okay, sometimes the question do come out in this way. The easiest the questions sometimes the student tend to make mistake. Okay, compared to the complicated questions. Okay, let us see this. What is the difference between composite index with and without weightage given? Okay, explain the importance of weightage in the calculation of a composite index. Okay, if the weightage given means maybe they have a different how to say the weightage. Okay, like just now that at the first example the highest the percentage the weightage is more. Okay, but without weightage means like this example 5 okay, these three items they have the same weightage. The meaning is like that, no? If without weightage, I mean not no weightage is given. This is a meaning. Mean the role they play in this composite index, they have the same how to say, same weightage, no? Okay, means no weightage actually means same weightage. Okay, if weightage is given, it can be have a different weightage of the each item. This is the meaning. Okay, so we go down another example here. Okay, this one, the weightage given is by using a pie chart. Okay, so you see this is a 25%. Oh, actually it's also by a percentage lah, huh? Okay, this is 25%, 17%, and 58%. Okay, same thing. If you add out these three, you will end up with 100 lah. Okay, so the table below show the expenditure of a utility index of a factory. Okay, so means the utility of a factory, okay, mostly they are using water, electricity, and fuel. Okay, so this is the index. Okay, so the year is 17 based on the year 11. Okay, when they ask the composite index, also they will ask same thing, the year 17 based on 11. Okay, the pie chart show the percentage of the usage in a month. So you see, okay, this is the highest. Okay, this one will contribute the most. Okay, okay, will affect the composite index. Okay, means if you see the composite index, the final answer, this number will be very close to this, because this one contribute the most. Okay, but in this case it look like close to this also, because these two number are quite close. Okay, it cannot be close to this number, because this is only contribute 25%. These two number are quite close, and then you see if you add out these two, it contribute like 75%. Okay, so you know that your composite index at the end the number should very close to these two. This is common sense. No? Okay, so how do we apply the formula? Okay, same thing. So water is 135, water is 17%. So 135 times 17. Okay, this is first one. Okay, second one, electricity 140 times 58, second one. The third one, 125 times 25. Okay, the third one. Okay, add them up. Okay, divide by the total weightage 100. Then this is the composite index. Okay, so this is another example. Okay, so today you can do these questions. Okay, solve problem. Okay, maybe this is more complicated. Okay, you see, okay, so you study for this index number and the composite index. Okay, actually all this is widely used in example, okay, trend in price. Okay, this is the most popular one, I guess. Okay, and then production, and then job opportunities, and then infections and others. Okay, so this index actually is very useful. Okay, look at this example, example 7. Okay, you have a three material. Okay, then this is the price in the year 2010. Okay, and then year 2018. Okay, so in this case, they didn't give you the index. They give you the price. Okay, maybe I think so. You need to find the index, so that after that, when they ask for the composite index, you can find it. Okay, then they give you the percentage. Okay, so this one is the weightage. Okay, so part A, calculate the price index for these three items. Okay, in the year 18 based on the year 2010. Okay, so you get this, the 18 one, okay, divide by the 2010, the price, okay, and then times 100, okay, to get each item the index number. Okay, so you see, Okay, the index number, you divide the price, okay, times 100. So this is for the iron, this is for the chromium, and this is for the nickel. Okay, so the 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 index number. Okay, so this is for the part A. Yeah? Okay, now we go to part B. Calculate the composite index for the cost of a production of the non-rusting steel in the year 2018 based on 2010. Okay, so you see, the year and the base year are the same. Okay, because this factory they make a non-rusting steel. You by using these three material. Okay, this is the meaning. So they want to know the cost. So the cost will based on these three material. Okay, the price index. Okay, so now you need to calculate the composite index. Okay, if you look at the percentage, okay, this is the highest. So you guess your answer for the part B, the composite index should be very close to this. Look at the 169. Okay, should be very close to this because of the highest percentage you use, okay, in making this non-rusting steel, the most component, I mean the most the highest percentage component in this non-rusting steel is the iron. Okay, so you see actually, even though you see that this nickel, okay, 81 actually means the price come down, you compare and see. 2018 and 2010, you see the price actually come down. But because the percentage they use is so little, only 10%. Therefore, at the end, this one will not bring a very big effect on the composite index at the end. Okay, very sayang because the iron, the one you use the most, which is 70%, this one, you see, okay, increase the price is almost like 70%. Okay, 169 169 is almost 170 so it's almost 70% the increasing of the price. Okay, so if we look at the B, okay, so one by one, okay, you get this the price index. This one is the answer that you get from the part A. Then this is the weightage, which is the percentage. Okay, then this is the IW. Okay, so means this times this. The 169.09 times 72. Please be accurate. Don't ignore the 09. Don't round off. Okay, leave it as the four significant figures with 2 decimal places. Okay, then this is the IW total up. Okay, the sigma submission total up and then divide by the total weightage, which is 100. Okay, let us see the answer. Okay, 150. As I say, okay, it cannot be near to 81. Okay, you see, 150 is quite near to the 169. Yeah. So this is the part B. Okay, but part B, after they ask you to calculate the composite index, they do ask you to interpret your finding. Okay, so what's the meaning of this interpret your finding? Same as before, okay, when they say interpret the finding, you got to say, increase or decrease how many percent. Okay, so this is a 50.25% increase. Okay, so this is the interpretation. Okay, now we go to part C. Okay, part C, determine the cost of productions of the non-rusting steel in the year 2018 if the cost in the year 2010 was 65 million. Okay, so now this one because the whole thing, the non-rusting steel, the cost of productions, you have calculated in the part B, the composite index, now will transform into this part C, become a normal index. Okay, we don't label it I-bar. Okay, it will become a normal index. Okay, that relate with the cost, okay, the year 2018 and the cost of the year 2010. Okay, so let's see, 2010 is 65. This is a meaning. You see, around this composite index is the cost of making the non-rusting steel, right? Okay, now for this question C, it will become a normal the price index. Okay, so the price for 2018 we don't know. Okay, but the cost price for the 2010 is 65 million. Okay, so we use this formula, okay, to get the Q 2018. Okay, 97.65 is 97.65 million. Because this is a million, so this one also have to follow the million. Okay, don't write RM 97.65 become 97 ringgit only. Okay, no, this is million, so this is follow the million. You can do in this way. If not, you got to put times 10 to power 6. Okay, million is 10 to power 6. Okay, so if you don't want to write the 10 to power 6, it's okay, but remember your final answer, this is in million. Okay. So this is I can say this ABC is quite a standard question in the SPM, which contribute 10 marks. Okay, so section C, mostly the student will choose these questions. Okay, so not to say very difficult. Okay, you know, easily actually you can get the 10 marks. Okay, if you understand the whole concept. Okay. Okay, now you look at this. Okay, did the decreasing price of the nickel in the 2018 affect the total production cost of the production of the non-rusting steel? This is the one just now I mentioned. You see the nickel, actually the price decreased, but for the total production cost, which is the composite index, you can't see it, okay, because the percentage is too small. Okay, the weightage is too small. You want to give the reason, okay, because the percentage of the weightage is too small. Okay, so it can't see the effect on it. Okay. Okay, so now this is another exercise. Okay, this is two questions. And then no more already. Okay, this is another one you can do. So altogether 3 exercises. So this is 4 questions, 2 questions, and 2 questions. So altogether 8 questions. Okay. Okay, any question to ask? Okay, make sure you have fill out your attendance.